Today we are going to do, I'm going to do painting. First I did my mom's, which is this one. I like this one a lot. It's space. And I'll teach you how to do those little things if you're wondering how to do those little flicky things. And then I did my dad's, which is the sunset. I really like this one. It's probably my favorite. So first you're gonna need some paper and some paint and some water. So first I'm going to do a space one. So you're gonna need a blue. I think I'm gonna do the exact same one. So I'm gonna do this blue and this stuff. So I got the little paintbrush and it's still wet from yesterday. And then I got a paintbrush that's easier, and then I got all the colors, purple, white, and blue. Okay, so first I'm going to pick the blue. I like blue, that's my favorite color. So yeah. And then purple, and then I'm going to do the white. So I'm going to put some blue in a plate. Like this amount more. Okay. Yeah, that's good. And I'm going to take my paintbrush and just spread it all around the paper, and then I'll show you what's next. I'm not patient that much. Okay, that's enough. Okay, now I'm done. Put some white now. So you have to be kind of careful for this because this gets really messy. Oh no! Okay, that's
when it dries, you can tape it. That's not a big deal.
I usually just put some.
Did you need to move it?
Yes, I did.
I can move it if you need me to. Where'd you want to move it to?
I just blew it up more.
It's because it's stuck to paper right here. Hold on. Let's go like here. I got it, honey.
Yeah.
You tell me when I should stop moving it.
Probably stop right
about there. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. Okay. Ooh, messy.
Okay. I try to keep it away from the picture because I don't want to get like really big pieces on it, because last time I did it. Okay. Oh. Yeah, some.
It's gonna happen. You have to be careful where you're at and how you're doing it. Right now, I don't mind because where we're at, but if you're at home and your mom or dad is gonna get upset because you're gonna make a big mess, it's probably a good idea to cut it to fit in one of those pans, the roasting pans, or do it outside in a place where, like on the grass would be perfect. I know it's really hot right now where we are, but
it's like 120 degrees yesterday.
not 120, but it was hot. It was over 100.
Yeah, it was over 100. So, yeah.
So yeah.
Okay. Okay. We have to let it dry, so that's why I'm going to do like the sunset one, which I'm going to put a picture right there. There. Yeah. Okay, so I actually ran out of a little bit of the red because I used too much of the red, but I like it still. So I'm going to put the plate aside from this thingy. So, the dabbing with the brush, you can start out with that because usually people use it to like dab it and then like blend it in. But I'm gonna use I'm gonna do like this lines and then I'm gonna blend it in with the brush. So yeah, so I'm gonna put some red.
I'm telling you, that's gorgeous.
I love it. Look.
You should. It's beautiful.
It's not wet. Okay. Okay.
Should I move the painting up on the table or leave it where it is? You know how you had me move the blue one up?
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
I needed to ask us. Oh, take it easy, Emma. Jeez. Seriously.
Okay. I'm doing it. I'm putting in a heart smack dab in the middle.
Are you worried?
Wait. I need. Guess what I need?
What do you need?
I need a short brush.
That would make sense. You're just gonna make a small one and then kind of fill it out.
Yes.
That makes sense. I was gonna suggest that, but it's not my painting.
Can just anything.
Wow.
Smart ideas. Just put S's all over the screen. Okay.
Oh, look at that. Is that better? Yeah, that's way better here. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Oh yeah. A lot of times you'll look at it later and go, wow, that looks really good. I didn't really need to do much with it. I think it looks really good right now. I love the gradient in the background, going from red to kind of like a peach yellow in the bottom. It's awesome. It's really cool. It's very nice. I'm glad that you put a heart on there instead of the sun, because it looks neat.
I
So,
like this.
I think they're all good.